This is a wooden train whistle. Now, I don't know how long it is. It's about 7 or 8 inches long, I guess. And it has a picture of a train on it. Now, it really does sound like a train when you blow the whistle. Anyway, it's a fine train whistle. Some of the younger people will probably blow it better than I can. But anyway, I don't send out the one that I've been whistling on. I send out one that's still wrapped up. It never has been whistled on. Anyway, wooden train whistle. Looks like fine craftsmanship.